The Ashthorpe 30-inch acoustic guitar package is thoughtfully sized for younger players and beginners, making it comfortable to hold and unintimidating to learn on. Its laminated basswood body with a glossy finish gives the guitar a pleasantly warm, balanced tone that stays consistent whether you strum gently or play more aggressively. The neck is shaped for smaller hands, with smooth frets and light steel strings that help new players form chords without excessive finger strain. This bundle arrives with a padded gig bag, extra strings, a strap, a tuner, and several picks, so a first-time player can start practicing immediately without hunting for accessories. Projection is surprisingly strong for a compact instrument, so practice sessions, small jams, and lessons all benefit from clear, bright sound that carries. Overall, the Ashthorpe 30-inch acoustic guitar package offers a solid blend of playability, durability, and included extras that make early learning more enjoyable and less frustrating.